The Omnibox in Google Chrome can do a number of different things. You can set a timer, can roll dice, and have it pronounce specific words. Take a look at a couple. Timer is one that I really like. So if I go to the timer and it looks like this, if I click on the time that's working there, I can actually alter that. So I can put it for 10 seconds and I can click start. Then you can see up here in the tab where my mouse is moving, that tab has that countdown. Timer still works, right? There's other things like stopwatch to be able to count up, not the timer counting down. You can also do things like calculator and have it be the functionalities that you're after there, as well as pronounce a word. And then when you're working on it, you can change some of the pronunciations, slow it down, and see some of the mouth movement that goes with it. So the Omnibox has a timer and a number of other options for you.